Hi, let's discuss homomorphism. What is homomorphism? Let sigma and del be two alphabets, then homomorphism is a mapping from sigma to del such that the symbol of sigma is replaced by single string of another alphabet del. So it is nothing, you can say it is a substitution of string for symbol. Let's explain through example. Here sigma is A, B, del is 0, 1, h of A equal to 0, h of B equal to 1, 0. These are some symbol and we replaced by some string. So homomorphism of B is 1, 0, homomorphism of A is 0. Let L equal to AB, BA. Then homomorphism of L will be h of L will be h of AB and h of BA. In place of this A, replace 0. In place of this B, replace 1, 0. So h of AB will be 0, 1, 0. Then h of BA. In place of B, replace 1, 0. In place of A, replace 0. So it will be 1, 0, 0. Next example, L equal to AB clean closure. Then H of L will be H of AB clean closure. What is A? A is 0. What is B? B is 1, 0. So write 1, 0 whole clean closure. In place of A, we replace 0. In place of B, we replaced 1, 0. Next example, L equal to A clean closure, B whole clean closure. Then homomorphism of L will be H of A clean closure, B whole clean closure. Just in place of A, replace 0. This will be 0 clean closure. In place of B, write 1, 0, 1, 0. And there is a whole clean closure, so just write whole clean closure. Now homomorphism of this language is 0 clean closure, 1, 0 whole clean closure. Next I will discuss inverse homomorphism. Let H is sigma to del is a homomorphism and L is a regular language over alphabet del. Then H inverse L equal to X, HX belongs to HL is also regular language over alphabet. So it is nothing, it is just inverse. Here we found sigma to del, now we'll convert del to sigma. So H inverse L called inverse homomorphism of H. Let's say some example. Here sigma is A, B, del is 0, 1. H of A is 0, 1. H of B is 0. Now what will be? Now language will be in this format. We'll find inverse. We'll find in format of AB. Let language equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. We are doing inverse homomorphism. Now language is on del. We'll find on sigma. We'll find on AB. Now just check 0, 1. 0, 1 is present here. So just write 8. Then 0, 0. 0 is present here. So for first 0 you can write B. For second 0 you can write B. So you can write BB. Next find for 0, 1, 0. Now just check. Find the inverse homomorphism. Here 0, 1 is present. Here 0 is present. So for this 0, 1 you can write A. Then for this 0 you can write B. So AB can be generated for 0, 1, 0. So AB can be considered. Next 1, 1. 1, 1 is not possible. 1, 1 is not present. Then 1, 1, 0. This is also not possible. So just find for these 3 and for these 2 inverse homomorphism is not present. Next example. For this 0, 1 you can replace by A. Then for this 0 you can replace by B. For this 0 you can replace by B. So you got A, B, B. Now check for 1, 0, 0. For 1, 0, 0 it is not possible because nothing is started with 1. So this is not possible. Now check for 0, 0, 1. So for 0 you can replace by B. For this 0, 1 you can replace by A. So B, A is possible. Then for 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 not possible. So inverse homomorphism of this language will be A, B, B and B, A. For all this string it is not present. Next example 0 clean closure 1. So how you can write it can be 0 clean closure 1. So which string it will generate? It will generate single 1. Then it will generate 0 1. Then it will generate 0 0 0 1. Then any number of 0 1. So what you can do, that last 0, 1 that you can consider as A, then previously any number of 0 that you can consider as a B clean closure. Inverse homomorphism of language will be B clean closure A. Here this thing you can consider as a B clean closure, and here this you can consider as A. So I think you guys are clear in homomorphism and inverse homomorphism. What is homomorphism? In place of symbol we are substituting some string. So in place of sigma we are substituting some string from del. In case of homomorphism, in place of del, we are substituting some symbol from sigma. So some string is given and we are substituting some symbol. Let's discuss some general properties of regular language. First, every finite language is regular. I already designed DFA for finite language. So which language is finite? That is regular. An infinite language can be regular or non-regular language. Every non-regular language is infinite. A regular language can be finite or infinite. Every regular set is countable. Every subset of regular language need not be regular. See example, if L1 equal to a power m, b power n, m n greater than 0, any number of a followed by any number of b, this is regular. But L2 a power m, b power n, m equal to n, this is a subset of this, but this is not regular. So every subset of regular language need not be regular. It may be non-regular. Every finite subset of regular language will be regular. Even every finite subset of non-regular language, that will also be regular. Finite means it is regular. Infinite means it may be regular, may be non-regular. The subset of non-regular set need not be non-regular. It may be regular or non-regular. Then union of finite collection of regular set is always regular, but union of infinite collection of regular set need not be regular. Suppose R1 union R2 union R3, this is finite, this is regular. But suppose R1 union R2 union R3 union like dot dot dot, there are lots of regular language, then this is not regular. If it is infinite, then it is not regular. If it is finite, this is a finite. This is regular. Actually, union and intersection that satisfy the closure property of regular language. If two languages are regular, their union will be also regular. If three languages are regular, then their union will be also regular. But it is not regular when there are infinite regular language. Infinite regular language union is not regular. Intersection of finite collection of regular language is always regular. Intersection of infinite collection of regular set need not be regular. So if it is finite, then intersection is regular. It may be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 language intersection, then that is regular. But if it is infinite regular language, there are lots of regular language, their intersection that may not be regular. So these are some basic properties of regular language. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.